Eclat de moule! I'm so excited. I've never cooked with mussels this big. Let's go. First things first, arrange the board. These nails will give the mussels something to lean on. This traditional method of cooking a quick meal has been used by fishermen down the west coast of France for centuries. Now you want to start building the base, and it's essential you have the hinge side of the mussel pointing upwards, okay? Because you don't want the mussel to open upwards and ash go in. So start them off this way. Now this may look like a tedious process. And it is. And we can't talk about doing French-style mussels without using a copious amount of butter. So on the fire we go. I'm just doing like a brown butter. So basically burning the butter, bit of vinegar with Welsh caviar, lava bread. I love it. It's lava seaweed. It's a great umami, complements the mussels. It's one of my favourite ingredients. As a crowd starts to gather, it's time to fuel up the fire. Traditionally in France, mussel harvesters would use pine needles, but today I'm using hay, and it's essential that it's organic hay, okay? No chemicals. Just tuck everything in. Let's light it up. Yeah. Eclat de moule. Woo. The mussels are being baked. The shells can't open, so they're kind of comfy in its own juice. They'll get a smoky hit. Just let it burn down, and hopefully the mussels will be cooked to perfection. And this is the reveal. Okay, let's drizzle this lava bread and brown butter and some wind-blown parsley. And there you have it, eclat de moule. And now the moment of truth. You open up the mussel. Oh, look at that. Oh, yes, come on there. Come on! Oh, so incredibly juicy, and it's a showstopper here. It's totally worth it.